how to review voice search on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review voice search on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy, and then settings, and here just click activity log, and then click this one connection, this one look at actions and other activity. And now all you need to do is just find this one voice search, click on it, and here you can review voice search on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.